Well, I'm a PhD student and working on sustainability of ICTD projects, basically in health, because I'm also working at an NGO based in Madrid. It is called Fundación EHAS, and what we do is deploying communication infrastructure and giving services to help health facilities in the rural areas of developing countries, basically in Latin America again. And I think they really have a very big effect on better coordination of emergencies and compiling information about epidemiologic surveillance in these regions where transportation takes long time. Um, and that's it. There's a lot to do in this field.
What about you?
Well, my name is Benjamin Akinmoyeje, and I'm from Nigeria, working with Management Sciences for Health as IT support advisor, and I'm in charge of creating strategy, ICT strategy, to help them to achieve their objective. Management Sciences for Health's vision is basically helping the world's poorest people to access health, quality service delivery by through reducing the gap between what is known and what is done. And right now, our focus is on system strengthening, ownership, sustainability, and capacity building. We also seriously, before now, work in, and we're still doing that, treatment on AIDS, people living with AIDS, supporting CSOs, government of the country, and all of that, reaching out to the people in remote locations where is actually our field. So what have we been doing? Why do I find ICTD 2010 interesting is I've come here to see the opportunities available, see people working in this area. This crowd is it's not many around where I come from. So we want to do beyond those basic things that deploying IT infrastructure do, just buying servers and computers. We want to do more. We want IT to do these things, to bring quality health to the people faster, with phones, with many more. So we're seeing a lot of ideas, and this is like a wake-up call. So being in ICTD for 2010, I mean, here is Ines, and we're talking a lot. She's also talking about sustainability. So you could see what this has created for us. So it's something I'm hoping to take forward from here. I'm on the field, and I'm meeting a lot of researchers, and then see what happens thereafter. That's that.
Right, so you're pretty much into health, and you run a health and infrastructure, transport. So how does it go together with the ICT idea? I guess it's like technology that assists your aims, but it's not the key to get your aims, right? Did I get that right? It's just a side effect of...
Yeah, I would say ICTs are basically instrumental. I mean, are just helping your main objectives. And in this case, in development, we have to take care about social services as a whole. And health is like a basic right for the people that we are working with. So, well, for me, I think also for Benjamin, like a main goal for being here these days is, okay, let's take all these theoretical frameworks and these results with statistic significance and bring it to the field and try to really do better ICTD interventions and let's see how it really benefits the people.
Yeah, I totally agree with Ines. This year message, if I had brought a message pens, it says health is human right. And the important thing of all of this is ICT as a tool must begin to be seen by development workers as a critical component that can help them get to where they're going. Help, remember, is not taking over. When you say help me, you're not taking over the thing. You're doing something and then somebody is giving an assistance. So ICT could just provide the needed help. And it's for help to be really useful, you need to ask for it. So when development workers plan or think or design their solutions and do not consider ICT, and then they see it later as an afterthought, let's just buy some computers and it might fail, and then they want to justify later, yeah, we're ICT compliant because we bought 4 computers, it's useless. But they should start seeing, it's one of the arguments I'm pushing forward, which I'm battling with even at my organization. ICT should be at the table when you are designing your solutions, even as health workers or development agencies or even donors. And I don't know how I'm going to tell ICTD communities on how to let this guy know that they are critical part in their approach to finding solutions to social problems.
Great.
I think it's so good to have that very critical voices.
Thank you.
So, I don't know, you want to talk about like the conference? Well, how do you like it so far, and what would you expect more, and what was good?
Yeah, I'm really happy with the how the conference is going to the moment. Like, there is a very good ambient among all people, researchers, practitioners, politicians, and I think what is behind all of this is that we all work for a objective that is behind this little efforts that we do in each lab or each university. So I really like being here and meeting so different people, but also which has so many things in common. And I really think this space is necessary because there are not like other events or spaces where we can really talk about technology related to development.
It's good.
Yeah, also I actually come from a very technical background. I'm a telecommunication engineer, and just to hear about the social impact and the evaluation of how ICTs are applied and how the beneficiaries use them, and if the projects are sustainable or not. Talking about all these things that is around technology, but it is real life, needs a space, and the other kind of forums that I could attend to are like, okay, technology is important, but it's not the only thing. So, thank you very much.
Yeah,
for this.
I totally agree with her too. I'm like a both and not guy, no, but just I didn't know what happened to my brains, and I started thinking about social impact. And as she said, this crowd, if Facebook is good, I mean this physical Facebook, just hanging out and talking, and then you didn't have to take so much time to agree on common interest. That you already have those common interests, and you're just willing to move it forward. That's what this space has created. So, kind of nice. And I mean, you didn't have to work so hard to break the ice or anything. You just interact with people, and then you could click immediately. It's nice, and I encourage you to continue. And I mean, next time I'll be here, scholarship or no scholarship, whatever, I'll be here. It's something I have to do. I have to pioneer this. It's what I love doing, and if it has no social development effect, then I would have just been a guy behind a machine making some money. What next? So this is helping me in my quest for so what answer that I'm looking for. And it's nice. It's a good conference. Team did a good job, and every one of you guys.
Well, let's see what the next one will be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll meet you there, right?
I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure. Sure, I'll be there.
Cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.